Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, YouTube fam. It's Pete here. Today we're going to be working on the 4Runner again. Going to go ahead and start on the bed project in the rear. Probably won't get it done today because we got to figure out exactly how we're going to get these trays in there. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Well, I just drew up the plans for the bed. Should be pretty basic. Just going to build a little frame. Going to stick it in here. And we're going to get some L brackets to mount it to these holes in the floor so it'll be nice and secure once we've got it all done. But for now, I'm just going to measure across, up and down, make sure we got everything to the right length. So that way, I don't get yelled at for making it wrong. Depth was, we're going to say 6 foot. I'm going to go ahead and cut the first board to 6 feet long and make sure that's good. But it should be. Then here, so 3 foot 8 inches. 3 foot 8 inches. We got our second piece here. I've done a little better job of putting a line on it all the way across. So here we go. Okay, totally professional. This is what you would be doing if you had a woodworking shop. You wouldn't pre-drill any holes. You would just go straight to sinking these bad boys in there. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now we got that one centered up. We got 2 holes marked, so I want to get this thing as close to center on this board, straight to the end as I can. Because like I said, we are 100% professional, pre-drilling holes, squares, levels, the whole 9 yards. All right. Trust me, bro, my buddy's a carpenter. Okay, that pushed it all the way in, so now we gotta bring it all the way out, square it up with that. Don't make no daggone sense, that's screwed. All right. I'd say that's almost lined up. We'll do the same thing down here. in pretty straight. Just take the box. We'll just bring the box with us. It makes a whole lot more sense to bring the whole box and just get one screw at a time, every time. You know what I'm saying? So now, this corner needs to line up just like that. There. Well, that part should be good. So we got screw and everything going across. One back here now. That's all tight. They're only a little crooked. Are we crooked? I don't know. Way to find that out is measure it crosswise. I do here to here. So we're at 19 and a half. Oh my God, we were at 19 and a half. I did it right. How about on his side? You'd have thought I was some kind of plumber. Got this thing all laid out just right. Tell you what. Man, it's square. I don't even know how I made that happen. But bam. All right. So now we got us a frame in there. Let's see about putting it in the truck. They're on my back. Tell you what, my back. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm going to need that end in here. Oh no, you son. I measured you. You will fit in there. Woohoo! I'm a freaking carpenter. Look at that. So now I just gotta raise it, but it's the right width. And it's got the slot for the 2 drawers.
And you're gonna build the thingies that come out on the sides, right?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So I haven't 100% decided. I may not raise, I may just build on top. But my idea was this lips on the bottom because I needed to square it up to be able to lift it in here and make sure I got my sides. And everything's nice and square. 19 and a half inches wide here, 19 and a half inches wide here, and ditto on the back ends.
Okay, so we're not gonna, so when you step in, you're gonna just be on the bed. You're not gonna do the...
It's all gonna sit up. It's gonna come up to here. So this is all gonna...
come up higher.
I'm gonna put supports underneath that to raise this up till it's about this level.
Okay.
And then it'll have the drawer over. But yeah, it's gonna come up to here.
Yeah, so we can, like I said, with the piano hinges, so it folds out and we have more room for our knees. Or more, because our shoulders will be here, our feet will be there. So like, we're wider in our shoulders. So if you did the piano hinges and they fold in and then they fold out, so you go all the way to the wall,
We'll go as far as we can.
I say scrap wood. I mean, like you wouldn't, it's not like our whole entire body's going to be laying on it. It'll be like an arm and a shoulder.
Yeah.
Just to give us a little bit more room.
Yeah, but so yeah, this is all going to come up just a little bit, but this was the hard part. Everything else, getting the drawers in theoretically should be easy, but just getting this framed out, and then I got to get the drawers in, and then I can put the top on. All right, we were able to get a bunch of work done today. Got the frame roughed out. We're gonna go ahead and leave it like this until I get the sliders put in, and then we're gonna go ahead and start putting on the other finishing bed pieces. And once we've done with that and we've got the drawers in there, this rig will pretty much be done. I do need to anchor this to the floor, but there's plenty of mounting points to the floor where we took out the seats. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some L brackets and bolt this thing right to the floor so don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding around once we get it finished. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, eat a donut, and stay rad.